everyone, it is me, Lauren Cadillac with Cadillac Law, and today I am bringing you one of a multi-part series about the type of exemptions you can have on real property in the state of Texas. So I hope you join us for this multi-part series. Make sure you hit like or subscribe wherever that button may be. And if you hit the bell, you'll get little notices so you won't miss not a single episode. As always, nothing I say here creates an attorney-client relationship, and none of this is legal advice. This is just knowledge that I'm passing on to you. Today, we're going to talk about the ever-elusive, ever-exciting agriculture exemption. I don't know about you, but many times I've thought I should just go buy some acreage and put a few goats on it and get my ag exemption because ag exemptions are great. So you need to know, is that really something available to you? In order to get an ag exemption in Texas, you must have a valid agricultural and timber registration number. So that is something that you get from the Texas Comptroller. You have to register, and I'm sure there's evidence you have to provide that you are a rancher or a farmer. And you have to have that number. And your business must be farming, production of fiber or crops, timber, of course, feedlot operation, beekeeping, that's a good one, custom harvesting, crop dusting, a veterinary business that does ranch calls, as well as a teaching or vocational course. So what is not going to count for an ag exemption is someone like me with a home garden, horse racing, rodeos, which is kind of a bummer because I feel like the rodeos, anyhow, florists, wildlife management and conservatories, predator control, wildlife and livestock surveys. I don't actually know what that is. And then animal breeding and kenneling do not count as agriculture. They're not going to give you the ag exemption. The key here, though, is if you own acreage and you want an ag exemption, you need to go to the comptroller and you need to get a registration number for your agricultural or timber registration. And I'm having to read this off notes because I don't really do a lot of agriculture stuff, so this has all kind of been a new learning experience for me as well. Anyhow, if you have acreage and you're going to produce something, I think an ag exemption is something worth trying for, but don't forget your first step is going to be the comptroller for that registration number. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will be doing a series of different types of exemptions. I hope you come back for the next one. Thank you.